In this video, I'll show you how to disable a specific coupon code in WooCommerce. And as an example, in my store I have an active coupon code, discount 30, which applies 30% discount of entire order. Let's assume we need to deactivate it. First of all, let's log into WordPress admin account, and then on the left side of the screen, hover on WooCommerce, and then look for this option, coupons. In case you don't see it, then hover on marketing, and then select coupons. On this page, locate the coupon code that you would like to deactivate. In my case, it's this one, discount 30. Let's select it. Then at the very top, click on bulk actions, edit, apply. Under status, click on the drop-down menu, then select draft and update. Now let's go back to the current page. Let's try refreshing it. Let's try applying the same coupon code, discount 30, apply coupon. And as you can see, it now shows the message, coupon discount 30 cannot be applied because it does not exist. And finally, if you want to delete the coupon code from your store, once again, go back to the admin, then look for the coupon and then select trash. Then click on the trash tab. Once again, hover on coupon and then select delete permanently. And as you can see, the coupon code was completely removed from the store. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.